Greetings and salutations on this fine Saturday, April 29th, 2023. As I sit here and cook my dinner by the fire, I'm not to the point yet where I'm providing my own sustenance out here because I just, damn it, haven't established a routine that feeds me constantly. Although we've got potatoes growing and strawberries growing and blueberries growing and cabbages growing and hopefully some squash growing and so on and so forth. But that's not the news this week. This week it has been the central support structure for the greenhouse. Which I used 40 by 47 pallets again, 4 times 40 by 47 pallets, and brought it all together using these struts that I've gotten from some of the larger pallets. So I've got some nice frame going on there. It's sturdy and strong enough for me to climb on, which I have done several times, and my pallet pile continues to grow. And so anyway, that was the big deal this week. And I also went ahead and drilled one side of holes for the poles. So I've got those 11 on each side. They're all equally spaced. And anyway, they should leave plenty of room for the gutter to go on the outside. And we have a nice self-watering greenhouse. And I did attach one pole just to kind of see how it's going to go. Next week I'll have to bring out the heat gun and alleviate some of the tension on that pole. It's actually a little bit too high. I need to go 10 inches above the top of the door frame, and that'll put me at 108 inches, which is exactly 9 feet, same as the old greenhouse. And so I will need to figure out a nice, sleek, strong and sturdy means of fastening that pole to the frame, and that way it'll all be nice and uniform and so on and so forth, and everything will be peachy. So that will be next week. So I've got one more side of holes that need to be drilled, although I did get the 2 holes, that one over there and the far corner over there, and just ran that pole just to see. It looks like it's going to work out just fine. So this greenhouse will be considerably nicer than the old greenhouse. And ultimately I'll take that old greenhouse and break it down and turn it into another one of these, which is a nice, sturdy, hopefully long-lasting structure. And I've got a nice sort of a pergola here, which is real nice. And then I'm going to put some of the particle boards that I've got from my pallet scavenging. Well, it's not really scavenging anymore. I get paid to do it. But I'll put up some plywood board here, probably along this whole wall, and use it kind of like a pegboard and assign the specific tools and implements that go into a greenhouse or for landscaping stuff on these walls. And then we will start to maybe think about putting planter beds along the other walls and figure out exactly what I'm going to do with these spaces in between so that I can grow food. Lots and lots and lots of food. So, that being said, enjoy the piece of nature. Yes, enjoy the piece of nature. Journal entry number, who the fuck knows?